Hi guys, now I'm gonna show you this Nikon F55 that I have. The handle here is a bit sticky, sorry. So this is the front, one side, the other side, the top, and the bottom. And yeah, that's basically it. So take out this. Okay, pretty nice. Gonna put in the batteries. Okay, so turn it on. Okay, fires. Oh, yeah, but if I open this thing, then it does not fire. How gonna show you where? But then let me show the viewfinder first. Okay, the heads-up display is pretty nice, pretty cool. Okay. Let me try to show you from the front. See, can is it even possible? Okay, let's do this. Cannot see anything. Can see it. Maybe the slower speed is more evident now. Let's do like, let's do 60. See if you can see. I think can see. Is that it? Let's do quarter lah, quarter we can. See? Ayo, sorry lah, cannot show you the shutter curtain from behind. But generally it works, so yeah, there you go, Nikon F55. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. It will really help. And thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless, see you.